straightsmilesolutions.com, and I feel like a lot of you are kind of getting super worried about these POBs, posterior open bites, that you're seeing at the end of expansion. And yeah, it's kind of normal. I mean, part of it is just sometimes the cusps, they're hanging cusps, and it just kind of props open the bite. Sometimes it's the patient, like there's a thickness to this plastic, right? Like this is pretty thick. These soldered bands are pretty thick, and they're a little more thick than the traditional banded, soldered bands. So yeah, I mean, if the patient is biting heavy on these teeth or these areas, slam, 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 however many times a day for however many months, yeah, those teeth are going to intrude a tiny bit as a unit. Just bang them down, But like I said, you don't have to force erupt them. I think the whole way that these aligners and, just go with the traditional braces route. We used to do this stuff all the time. We always had posterior acrylic blocks and stuff like that. And then you just had the braces on and everything would settle. So I think the mistake is that you guys are trying to force erupt at the end. Don't even just let gravity, let nature happen. So don't worry about these POBs, and they just might have a heavier bite force. If you just I see my content on deprogramming, and everything works out fine afterwards. All right, thanks so much.